How to fix Instagram's two-factor authentication required to log in problem. Hey guys, if you're facing the error while trying to log into Instagram, here I'm going to show you guys a quick way to fix it. So the first thing you're going to have to try to do is go to your main phone or your main device where your Instagram is logged in. And from there, first thing you're going to have to do is check if you've set up your two-factor authentication or not. Go to your profile and then tap on the hamburger menu at the top right. Now tap on Account Center. And then from here, you're going to go to Password and Security and go to Two-Factor Authentication. Select your Instagram account. If you have set up any two-factor authentication, you are going to have to see if it's working or not. But what you can try to do next is go to Play Store and update your Instagram to the version where it supports two-factor authentication. So just search for Instagram on your Play Store. And then if there is any update available, just update the app to its latest version. The next step you can try to do is log into your Instagram using your web browser. So let me just go ahead and open up a new tab here and then search for Instagram. Hit enter and try to log in from here. So just tap on login, enter all of your login details. So let me just go ahead and enter my login details. And if it asks for two-factor authentication, you can try to send an email or code to your email and then log in from there like this. And once you've logged in, you can try to go to your profile icon, then go to your settings on the top left. Once you land on the settings page, go to Account Center and try to turn off two-factor authentication from here. What you can try to do next is also try to change password. So if you have been unable to turn off two-factor from your app, you could definitely do it from your browser. And then change password as well. Reset your password for your Instagram app, and you should be good to go. So these are the things that you can do to fix this error. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.